Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back. I want to give an update to my lawn since about a month and a half ago when I started my lawn striping kit. As you can see in the background, my grass is coming in much better. Deeper stripes. You can see the variation as I went up and I went down. You can just see it, coming in. Again, my yard is still young. About time to feed it again. But you can see that it's coming in nicely. I mean, you can see this right there. Last time when I made the video, I went the other way. Had a diagonal diamond going on. I'm a little dusty right now, so I do apologize, but you can kind of see how it had the old lines going this way. Basically I decided to cut the other way, but I think once I get tired of going that way, I'll switch back to going the opposite way. But you can see how it looks. Again, I want to give you an update. Thank you guys for the comments. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the advice. I really appreciate it. Again, this is an update to my lawn striping kit that I made out of some rubber gem flooring using some 3/8 washers and bolts bolted to the back of my John Deere D130 mower. You can see how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna walk on the side yard, give you an update there as well. Kind of windy out here today, but beautiful. All right, you can see it right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look professional. Look at that. That's the side yard. Yeah. Man, very windy out here. But like I said, I want to give you guys an update. Really pleased on how it turned out. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks guys. Enjoy your day.